How to reset the new Windows search experience. This tutorial shows you where to find it right now, since it's still an early preview feature. First, keep in mind the new redesigned search experience, including the privacy toggle for web and store results, is currently only available to Windows insiders in the experimental dev channel. After that, if you're not on this channel, you won't see these new options yet, since it hasn't reached the standard stable release. From there, to access it early, click on the Start menu and open Settings. At this point, click on Windows Update, then click on Windows Insider Program. In the next step, opt into the dev channel specifically, since this feature is tied to that build. Following this, your device will restart and begin receiving experimental preview builds that may include this new search design. Once done, once updated, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Search. From here, you should now see a toggle to turn off web and store suggestions entirely, along with clearer origin labels for each result. At this stage, if you'd rather troubleshoot your current standard search instead of chasing this new design, right-click the Start menu and open Windows Terminal. Keep in mind, run the command msdt.exe-id search diagnostic to launch the official search and indexing troubleshooter, which resets search to its default working state. Finally, restart your computer after either path to make sure any changes fully apply. And that's it. If this guide helped you understand the new Windows search experience, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.